If you see the ancient philosophy of Hinduism and even Buddhism, there is a biggest importance of Shunya, which is nothingness. What do you mean by nothingness? Nothingness is a place where no thought can reach. No thought, nothingness. So this Shunya, you know, Buddha meditated a lot, and also the Shiva, the Shiv Tattva in Hinduism, the first yogi who meditated, who realized himself and become enlightened, eternally enlightened, the Lord Shiva. We call him Lord Shiva. So he also realized the Shunya. You know, what is this Shunya? What you were before this birth, you don't know. No thought can reach that state, which is Shunya. And what you will be after death? The Shunya, the nothingness. So when a person who meditated a lot, who devote himself in a meditation, realize this, realize this very precious, very rare thing, that we are talking about Shunya, that's not realization, that's just a verbal interpretation. I said, who realize this Shunya, actually live with full potential, because he realized that there is nothing here to count on, there is nothing here to believe, there is nothing here to get attached. Fulfill your responsibility, do whatever you want to do, but without being attached. They realize that there is no separate me, separate I. Their mind remained completely silent. This is eternal philosophy I'm talking about, telling you this. It, literally took people thousands of years to realize this, what I am telling you in few minutes. This Shunya, I said, you are living a life here right now, and you are running behind all your labels, all your money, all relationships, but everything you are chasing or what you already have is going to be Shunya, because you have to go to the Shunya, nothingness. So what are you doing? Don't chase anything. Just be in a state of choiceless action, the choiceless awareness. Just be where you are. Don't dissipate your energy in fighting your thoughts, fighting your emotions. Then you have enough energy, and that energy will be used. That energy will take action from you. That does not mean you are passive. You will take action. That action will be, most active action even. But this will come from passive awareness. Thank you very much. If you are new, you can join my spirituality course comprised of 24 videos. I have talked a lot about meditation, awareness, present moment, thought, fear, suffering, attachment, relationship, and a guided meditation session has its own importance. My WhatsApp number 9773529489. I'm giving in description too. From there you can join this spirituality course. Thank you very much.